Welcome to Car Wow. Today, we dive into the new 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta, exploring its sports variant, specifications and key features to help you decide if this MPV is the right fit for you. The 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta continues its legacy of being a reliable and premium MPV with several upgrades in design, performance and technology. It retains the tough body-on-frame construction, ensuring durability and a strong road presence. The front fascia now features a refreshed grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlamps, and an aggressive bumper design, making it sportier than ever. The side profile maintains its sophisticated stance with newly designed alloy wheels, while the rear gets updated LED taillights and a more dynamic bumper. Under the hood, the 2025 Innova Crysta offers a 2.4-liter diesel engine, delivering a refined driving experience. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and better efficiency. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension setup for a more comfortable ride, making long journeys more enjoyable. The power delivery is linear, and the torque availability ensures effortless highway cruising and city driving. Fuel efficiency has also seen slight improvements, making it a practical choice for families and fleet operators alike. Inside, the cabin receives premium enhancements with soft touch materials and a revised dashboard layout. The sports variant adds unique touches like blacked-out interiors, red stitching, and sporty aluminum pedals, giving it a more dynamic appeal. The infotainment system now boasts a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, offering essential driving information with clarity. Comfort remains a priority in the new Innova Crysta. The seats are well cushioned and offer great lumbar support, making long drives more comfortable. The second-row captain seats provide a business-class experience, while the third row ensures ample space for passengers. Multiple AC vents, ambient lighting, and a premium sound system enhance the overall cabin experience. In terms of safety, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Innova Crysta with 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, vehicle stability control, and a reinforced chassis for better crash protection. It also features parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, enhancing overall safety for passengers. The 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta Sports variant is designed for those who seek a blend of performance and practicality. Its improved styling, enhanced features, and reliable powertrain make it an excellent choice in the MPV segment. Toyota continues to maintain its reputation for durability, ensuring that the new Innova Crysta remains a top contender in its class. If you are looking for a premium MPV with a mix of sportness, comfort, and reliability, the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta is worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Wow for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content.